You're about to see something that looks like it escaped from a military base, crashed through the wilderness, and parked itself straight into your dreams. This is not a concept, not a rendering, and definitely not a joke. This is the 2026 Toyota HikeCruze 6x6, a monstrous off-road beast so extreme, so capable, and so off-limits looking. You'd swear Toyota built it secretly for the apocalypse. And guess what? It's real, and you can drive it. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into what might be Toyota's wildest, most overbuilt machine ever. A vehicle so insane that most people still don't believe it actually exists. Let's start with the basics, if there's such a thing as basic on this monster. The HikeCruze 6x6 is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid system that punches out a staggering 730 horsepower and 950 pound-feet of torque. And that power? It doesn't go to four wheels. Oh no, it goes to all six full-time, active-controlled, intelligent 6x6 drivetrain. This thing doesn't just drive over obstacles, it eats them for breakfast. Whether it's rocks, mud, snow, or floods, the HikeCruze keeps going like it's on rails. And those tires? We're talking 37-inch all-terrain monsters with self-healing tread, built for military-grade endurance. No joke. If the road ends, the HikeCruze begins. Now, here's where it gets crazy. The exterior looks like a hybrid between a sci-fi movie tank and a luxury overlander. A wide armored stance, LED-lit grille, tactical roof racks, and steel-reinforced bumpers. This thing doesn't look street legal, but it is. You'd expect a rough, no-frills cabin, right? Nope. Inside, it's a private jet on wheels. Full-grain aircraft leather, 3 massive panoramic screens, a military-grade navigation HUD, and, I'm not kidding, a built-in drone bay that deploys for off-grid scouting. There's even an emergency satellite link and voice-activated AI survival assistant. It's basically a luxury bunker on wheels. Let's talk off-grid life, because that's what this thing was made for. The HikeCruze comes equipped with solar-powered auxiliary batteries, a 50-gallon fuel tank, built-in water filtration, and a modular camping suite that slides out from the rear. That's beds, stove, storage, everything you need to live in the wild for weeks. And the suspension? It's an adaptive terrain-reactive system that automatically raises or lowers depending on ground type. Think rock crawling at noon, desert dunes at sunset, and city cruising by night, all in one day. But here's the real kicker. Toyota hasn't officially marketed this vehicle. There's no Super Bowl ad, no showroom display. Why? Because this beast wasn't made for the average consumer. It's made for hardcore survivalists, elite adventurers, and anyone who wants to laugh at traffic jams and laugh harder at nature's toughest terrains. It's like Toyota accidentally built a tank and decided, hey, let's slap some leather and Wi-Fi in it. So why aren't people talking about it more? Because it's rare. Rumors say fewer than 1,000 units will be released globally, and most are already spoken for. So here's my question to you. If you had the keys to the 6x6 beast, would you take it deep into the wild, or just flex it hard in downtown LA? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like if this blew your mind, and don't forget to subscribe because trust me, I've got more vehicles coming that'll make your jaw hit the floor. Until next time, stay off-grid, stay powerful, and always drive something that makes people say, what the hell is that? This is the 2026 Toyota HikeCruze 6x6, and it's the off-road monster Toyota doesn't want you to see. But now you have